Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, hope so you are doing well. If you are new on my channel, so guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and never forget to press the bell icon to get more updates about the video. So guys, today in this video we will discuss about the cryptocurrency and we will see what is cryptocurrency. So if you are new on my channel, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates about the video. So guys, let's start to the video about the cryptocurrency. So guys, first of all, if you want to know about the cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency, you just have to go on a Google page and then search what is cryptocurrency and how to use it. So there are many methods to know about cryptocurrency, but there are many websites that will give you information about the cryptocurrency. So there are many best websites on Google that will provide you information about the cryptocurrency, but the best website that I will recommend you is the website that name is Kaspersky. Kaspersky is the best website that will provide you the proper information about the cryptocurrency, and you can know about cryptocurrency on that website. So this is very good website. So guys, when you open that website, you will see about the cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency, how to use cryptocurrency. There are many options that are available on that website. So guys, you just have to read out about the information that will provide you on that website, what is cryptocurrency. So guys, let's see about what is cryptocurrency. So guys, basically cryptocurrency is a public ledger system that is used to store your data, that is used to store your transactions. It is also called a blockchain. In blockchain, your transaction will store in a public ledgers or wallets. So the public ledger is a ledger in which your data cryptocurrency will store, but the wallets are the wallets in which your coins, your currencies will be stored. So guys, hope so you understand this video is all about cryptocurrency. So you just focus on this video and understand about what is cryptocurrency. So guys, if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, you can go on that website. So next, if you are on cryptocurrency, if you have on cryptocurrency, you have a right to move your transactions from one party to third party without blaming any third party. So these are many methods to provide informations about the cryptocurrency. So you just have to look that what is meant by cryptocurrency. So let's see about other information about the cryptocurrency. So in cryptocurrency, you just have to focus about the mining process in which your coins will generate. So the public ledger system is also called blockchain, and in blockchain the mining process is called also public ledger. In mining process, your coins will be generated. The mining process uses computer power to generate coins and solves mathematical problems to generate your coins. In mining process, your coins will generating, and you can earn from cryptocurrency. So guys, these are the methods. From these methods, you can buy cryptocurrency, you can store cryptocurrency, and you can know about the cryptocurrency. So guys, hope so you understand this video. These are the methods in these are the methods in these methods you can follow this information about the cryptocurrency. So guys, so the other information about cryptocurrency is that cryptocurrency can store all the types of transactions. You can store your stocks, you can store your bonds, you can store your any kind of information like bitcoin, light altcoin, like dogecoin. There are many coins that are using in cryptocurrency. You can store any coin in cryptocurrency. You can earn money from cryptocurrency, you can store cryptocurrency, and you can do everything with cryptocurrency. So guys, cryptocurrency is very valuable, very usable, and very accessible. So guys, the cryptocurrency is very easy. In this procedure, you can earn very easy. So guys, hope so you understand this video will provide you the help about the cryptocurrency. So guys, if you are new on my channel, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, so please press the bell icon to get more updates about the video. So guys, if you have any issue related to the video, you can comment me, you can ask me every question about the cryptocurrency. So I will provide you the information about cryptocurrency. So there are many methods, there are many things that you can know about in this video. So you can search on Google page. There are many websites that will provide you the information about cryptocurrency, but the website that I told you is the best website that will provide you the all information about the cryptocurrency. So hope so you understand this video will provide you help to understand about the cryptocurrency. So there are many methods that will use in cryptocurrency. So guys, inshallah we will meet in the next video. Hope so you are doing well. Allah Hafiz.